Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer affiliate offers into WooCommerce product pages step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your WordPress dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the WooCommerce section on the left sidebar. Click on Products to view your existing product listings. To add a new product, select the Add New button at the top. Enter the product title in the designated field. In the product description box, include details about the affiliate offer. Scroll down to the Product Data section. From the drop-down menu, choose the External/Affiliate Product option. This will reveal additional fields specifically for affiliate products. In the product URL field, paste the link to the affiliate offer. Next, add a price in the regular price field. If applicable, include a sale price in the sale price section. Make sure to check the product short description area, adding a concise summary. Upload a product image by clicking the Set Product Image link. Choose a relevant image from your media library or upload a new one. Add any additional images for the product gallery if needed. Proceed to the Product Categories section and select appropriate categories. In the Tags section, add relevant tags to enhance SEO. Once you have filled in all necessary fields, preview your product. Take a moment to review all information for accuracy. If everything looks correct, click the Publish button. Now, your affiliate offer is live on your WooCommerce store. Visit your storefront to see how the product appears to customers. Make any final adjustments based on the product display and user experience. Monitor your affiliate links to track sales and performance regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.